We saved over $2,000 in the month of June using savings challenges from creators here in the budgeting community. My name is Irene. This is Boop and Budgets, and I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with your beautiful, precious time. I hope you're all doing well and are having a beautiful day. I'm going to go ahead and count the money just to double check to see how much we have. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reallocate it into my sinking funds. I have these challenges here because I'm going to add them up. And these are from my Saving Serial Saturday videos, and I'm going to go ahead and add these up, and then whatever the total is, I'm going to add it to this bigger challenge, which is my milk jug challenge from Lisa at Budgets and Cents 1. So let's go ahead and count it up. I do have prop money because not all of this is, I'm going to send all of this, the smaller bills, back to the bank. So let's go ahead and count up to see how much we're working with. Here we go. And then these here I already counted, and they are increments of 20. So 20, let me see, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Well, that's 100 there. So we saved a total of $2,017. I'm going to take $17 out so that we can work with just an equal $2,000. So let me see. 5, 10, 15, 16, and let me see, hold on. Five, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, I'm gonna have to do it like this. 15, 16, 17. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside. Now what I want to do is I want to count this up, or calculate this up, to see how much this ended up being. Let me move some of this. Okay, so 28, 28. $522, so 522, and then minus 17, 505. So I'm gonna put 505 in this challenge here, when this is the envelope that goes to it, and we have money in here already. So if we add 505, 1, 2, 3, 20, 35. That's 840 total. So 840 minus, we'll do the bigger number, 300. So we'll mark off 300. And then if we mark off 225, I think we completed this actually. Let me see. Yep, 750, and we have 840, so let me see. We have $90 left. So what I'm gonna do is, how much was it supposed to be? 750? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50. Okay. I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna call this done because it is 750. Okay. So we've completed this challenge. Awesome. This is my milk money. And as long as I do the Saving Serial Saturday series on videos, then I will continue to, I'll do this over and over. Just depends on how often I do it. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 50. 750. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and paper clip this here, and I'm gonna move this all to the side. Okay. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this money. This money, I'll probably just put it in my personal envelope to spend. So, all right. So we had $2,000 minus minus 2,000 minus, what was it? 500, 505. So, all right. So let's see what we got going on here. putting in our sinking funds binders. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. That was too much. Okay. Let's start with Bitty Boop binder. And we will go through this quick. Abundance is going to get 100. I am not going to mark off the savings challenges because that's only for money that I put in for from my paycheck. So I will do that the next time I do my cash stuffing for my paycheck. Okay. So we are going to just, let me see. We do 50 in clothing. We do 50 in Costco. Health would do 200. Households will do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 4 in household. All right, that's Bitty Boop. Oh my gosh, I already have to condense it. All right, for Jack, we'll put 200. For kids, we'll put 100. No, for kids, we'll put we'll put 200 for kids. For parents, we'll put 100. But I want to do that in 20s. All right, for Roth, I'm going to skip taxes. I'm going to skip vacation. That's one. I'm going to put 200 in vacation. I'll put 25 in YouTube. And then 30. I'll put 20 in parents. And I'll put 10 in Jack. All right, y'all. I got through it. If I screwed up, then y'all let me know. This money, I'm not sure. It's $750. What can I do with that? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to reallocate that later, and then this will put in my spending, my personal spending wallet. It's 17 bucks, and then this is prop bills that I did not need to use. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. This is a long video, but I thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and if you made it to the end, please leave a star. Thanks for watching. Bye.